All right, we're going to talk about how to install MATLAB on Red Hat 7.9. I already have this video recorded and installed long back before. I just want to organize the files that I have. I don't want to waste the effort. So I'm just going to play them. Just comment some important points. So okay, right here I've logged in using my university account when I was in the US. Then uh, download for Linux. Uh, it's downloading right here, as you can see. And so this is the README files for installation procedure, I guess. Yeah. So nonetheless, download done. Cut it and putting it, creating a new folder. MATLAB 20, this is 2023 A. Uh, Place the downloaded file right here, extract it in the same folder. As you can see, this is the file that we just downloaded, and these are the files that got extracted from this zip file. And probably we need to do see it smooth. So yeah, not bad, guess. So just run dot install file right here. This is a file. Yeah, the GUI pops up. You can enter email address, password, and I chose the location which I install, which I named as, which is in the home directory. In the home directory, I've created a folder name called MATLAB install 2023E. Select destination and choose the products that you want. So as you can see, I've chosen deep learning toolbox. Else choose everything is going to be quite heavy. I mean, memory wise, and then I'm choosing financial toolbox, GPU toolbox, and I'm not able to see this. Yeah, I'm not able to see this. Reinforcement learning toolbox. Yep, I think that's all. Select. Uh, okay. What is that? Basic concepts. Installation started. It's around, as you can see, to 4.77 GB of, 9 point downloaded 4.7 seconds. We install files one and choose before here and that's, I can see a folder named RHEL Finance right here. Done finance. Done install. So yeah. So I went to this folder. Wait. Installation completed right here. As you can see. So I went to the install directory and inside there's a pane. Yeah, right here. I need to run this file called MATLAB slash. It's gonna launch. Since I'm using the university ID, the university has a subscription to MATLAB. So okay, so my runs. Okay, I'm playing around with some add-ons, I believe. Let's see. If what show toolbox loaded it, install this run. Some examples using time tables. Let's see, but yep. So this is the example that I'm running right here. Let's copy command. You see, yeah, nothing much. Okay, cool. That's all for today regarding MATLAB.